Welcome to Guide You Right channel. In this video, we'll show you how to disable screen time on your MacBook. With Apple Screen Time, you can monitor how much time you spend each day across your devices, including iPhone, iPad, and Mac. In doing so, you can also schedule downtime and set limits across your devices. If you rather not to use screen time on your Mac, you can easily turn it off by following this step by step in this video. It's very simple to turn off the screen time on your MacBook. First, you can open your system preferences. Now, you can go to screen time. There is an option screen time. You can just click on that. And from here, maybe you can't find the screen time to go to turn on off. Here's where the apps limits. Your apps limits is off, but if it's turn on or enabled, you can just turn this off from here. So you can go to options here on the three dots over here. You can just click on that. You can see your screen time is on. Now you can just turn it off by clicking on turn off in here. Screen time data will no longer be reported, and all limits, downtime settings, content and privacy restriction, and communication settings will be removed after you turn off the screen time. Now you can just choose on turn off. Now you have turned off the screen time. You have disabled the screen time from your MacBook. It's very simple, right? And anytime if you want to turn this on again, you can just do the same thing. Click on options in here and just turn it on. So that is how to turn off, how to disable screen time on MacBook. Thank you and see you.